For this 8260 Pro 1200 combine, we'll log into the customer's account. All right, so we'll go to the arrows on the top right corner, export, Pro 1200 combine, ISO XML, send to equipment. Again, we don't need to save it as a master file. It's up to your own choice. It just saves in another place so you can download it later. Then we click next, equipment. We're gonna send to our combine. Here we can name our vehicles too. So if you had like multiple, we could have it as like dad's or the name of the combine, stuff like that. So we'll select our grower, we have our farms, we've got our fields, and we're gonna include our boundaries. If we want to send swaths over, we can. Then we click our variety zone crops. Here, we're gonna select corn. And so corn. And then we're also gonna do soybeans. If you had another crop in here too, wheat, whatever, you can also select that as well. Click next. Now we're going to review the information is correct, and then we'll click finish and it will send to the combine.
So for variety tracking, we already went through how to load it in manually. That's how you can do the same way for over the air. You're gonna go to the data inbox, import it in there, select it, and bring it through. Here this is loading. So we're gonna go back to menu. We're gonna go to yield and moisture monitor. Then you want to check here in variety tracking that the tracking is on. Once that is verified that it's on, we will move to the other screen and go from there. So we go to our operations and we're gonna select our field or grow farm field. Make sure we have everything in. If we have our varieties, they will show up right here in the loads. So then we can go to our run screen. So here's our field. We can go to the layers, click on the little play button. So right here, play button. Go to background because most of the time it's turned off, so we need to turn it on. Then we can click on variety and click on that. If you have other tasks in here, they will pull through. So that's where you go here, apply. And if you have multiple varieties, you'll have different colors. Here it's just green. And then we can check that with our varieties right here. And that's how you put variety tracking in a 60 series combine.